So, itong activity to naman is module that returns the current date and time. So, punta tayo sa VS Code, then gawa tayo ng file. Yung isang file is my first module.js, tas yung isang file naman is the test module.js. Dito sa my first module.js, copy paste lang natin yung nasa module, copy natin, then paste natin. So, yung exports, this used to make the my date time function accessible outside this file. In Node.js, export is a special object that allows us to define properties or methods which other files can access. Tapos yung my date time function naman is this function, when called, returns the current date and time using JavaScript built-in date function. So by defining this function within exports, it allows us to export the my date time function, making it usable in other files. Yan. Yan yung yes. Tapos itong test module.js naman, punta naman tayo dito sa ganito, then copy ulit natin yan, then paste natin dito. So itong code naman na ito is the var http require the http module. This is a built-in Node.js module that allows you to create an HTTP server. It listens from incoming HTTP requests like from your browser and send back a response. So yung var dt equals require naman is the required my first module statement imports the module we created earlier. We use the dash to specify the my first module.js is located in the same directory. Nasa isang file lang po sila, yung dalawang file. So once imported, now calls the exported function from my first module.js, in this case the date time function. So create yung itong http create server naman, this function create http server. The function inside is called callback function, which run every time a request is made to the server. Yung request naman is represent the request object containing information about the incoming request like the URL and method. And yung rest naman is represent the response object, which is used to send back data to the client, usually a web browser. So yun lang po. So run natin siya. So node test then run natin. Pag natin time. Yan. So andyan na siya, guys.